Good morning, loves. How's everybody doing? It's Sunday. Woo! Sunday, lazy Sunday, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, that's my significant other trying to run over me with my child. So YouTubers, family, if I disappear, it's because of them. It's Sunday. We came and brought the kids to the track to ride a little bit of ride the dirt bikes. Ugh, it smells like gas. Blech, it smells like gas. Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Which ones are like, I guess which one's like more popular? The iced latte, the iced macchiato, or the iced cappuccino?
Well, right now the latte and the cappuccino are the ones that are on sale. So those are kind of the most popular. But the best one is actually the macchiato, but it's not on sale.
Let's do let me try a small macchiato.
Hazelnut mocha.
Let's do mocha.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, I'm looking, I'm sorry.
10 munchkins?
Yeah, the $2 one?
Okay, $2 mix musket?
Yeah.
10 for $2 mix, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, and a medium ice
Yeah.
latte?
Yes.
Medium iced latte, right?
No, iced macchiato. A small iced macchiato.
Small ice macchiato mocha.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
So yeah, you got it, right? Small iced mocha macchiato.
Yeah, small ice macchiato mocha.
And the $2 10 munchkin donut holes.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Confirm the bill.
I actually never been to Dunkin Donuts to try their iced coffee, so let's see how they taste, guys.
Macchiato, ice macchiato.
Iced macchiato. That's a nice macchiato.
Yeah.
It has does macchiatos have milk in it?
Yeah, milk.
Oh, because it doesn't look milky at all.
Yeah, milk, mocha, and espresso ice.
All right, because the one on the picture looks really milky.
Yeah, milk.
Okay, let me try it. Did I give you my card?
No.
Thank you. It's my first time trying it, so I was gonna say.
Fine.
Thank you. So that's my first time trying a iced macchiato from Dunkin Donuts. It doesn't look as pretty as the ones from Starbucks. Super chocolatey. So if you guys like chocolatey macchiatos, really sweet macchiatos, Dunkin Donuts is your hit, guys. Should have known better. Should have just got an iced latte or iced cappuccino. But I got it because I have a headache, so I'm gonna take some pills. I left the boys where they're riding a dirt bike, their dirt bikes, so I'm heading back. But as they're doing that, I'm gonna work on some homework.
So yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel, and hope you guys enjoy. Taking over this channel, and we're about to go see my lovely mother.
There you go.
So yeah, we're just here waiting for our turn. I actually have my motorcycle license. Anybody knew? But ever since I got pregnant with Javen, so I was gonna get a bike when I got pregnant with Javen, and it didn't happen. So I haven't rode in quite some time.
Oh yeah.
You ready to ride?
Go practice my Willie.
You're gonna go practice Willie? You know you're gonna bust something.
Huh?
You're gonna be busting something.
Oh no.
Look at those pretty eyes, guys.
I hope not.
Not my kid got those eyes.
Gotta go to work tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright, go, because I want to go.
But here we go.
Run, child, run. Oh, don't break yourself. Because you're going to need some milk. Look at him. He thinks he's something. He thinks he's something else, Jay.
See all that dirt.
Look at all that dirt. He be thinking he's in X Games.
and Jazz in the big one. They're so happy because he already their fourth gear. What happened, Manny? Come on, mama. She's trying to get a feel for the clutch. Tippy toe. Short girl problem. How far you went on gear?
I went to 4th.
Good job. That a girl.
Having some fun out here on Sunday. You know, with the boys. Hey, girls can have fun too, right, babe?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Girl, don't get discouraged. Y'all could do this too. Alright, we go.